Okay, I'm back. I have to access the board tiles. Where's board view? It's public. I'm going to check for fun. Unity C# singleton. Let's do Stack Exchange. That's what I want. Maybe that's not what I wanted, but anyways. First, game manager, yeah. Oh. Private static. Second. Okay, what's the question? I have several videos tutorial creating singleton object, mainly for a game manager. That makes sense. That appears to use different approaches to. Okay, is there a correct or rather a preferred approach to this? Okay. Ooh, big answers here. Public class, some class mono behavior. Private static instance. Public static, some class instance, get return instance. I'm going to wake if instance equals null and instance does not equal this, destroy this game object. Else instance equals this. The problem with both of your implementations is that they do not destroy an object that is created later. It could work, but one could throw a monkey wrench. That's it, exactly. Well, that's pretty straightforward. Oh god, this guy goes into it like keep across scene mode. Oh my god. Okay. I like this a lot. Board view will be a singleton. Some class, mono behavior. Private, static. Oh, if I do private, a ton of public stuff will be. Ew, good lord, there's a huge spider on my desk. Holy cannoli, that thing's big. Okay, well, we'll see where he's going. Oh, I lost him. Oh, there he is. Is he gone? Is he gone? I didn't see where he flew. No, he's underneath now. He freaked him out. Okay, I freaked him out. He's like a smart spider. Okay. Public static. Private. Static some class. Board view. If I can't get access to it like this though, I'm gonna revert this because I don't want more things to the more variables that change, the more problems it might cause, and right now I'm tearing the whole thing apart, so I'm already gonna have problems when I try to run it. Public static board view instance get return instance. How many things did that break? I have no idea. So far, none. Not in this script. Battle controller. Is the whole thing busted now? No. Okay. I didn't save it though. Let's go to private. Where am I going now? Awake. Do I already have an awake? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. If instance does not equal null. I'm a little nervous around that spider. Geez, he's still there just staring at me like he wants to freaking jump me. Ooh, he's a smart one. Damn it. I gotta get him out of here. He's bugging me. He is. I'm gonna poke him. Ooh, he even saw me coming. Okay, run away, guy. Run away. There we go. That was on the ground. All right, guy, you're going. You're a smart dude, but you're gone. I got him. Well, how good I got him. Oh God, that gave me the heebie-jeebies. All right. If instance does not equal null, and instance does not equal this, right? Oh no, there's not. Oh no, that was right. If how the hell did you write this? Open. Oh, you were okay. Okay, then destroy. This game object. Else instance equals this. All right. Now, how do okay, that's supposed to make it a singleton. I just saved it. I'm going to do a quick look on battle control, see if everything's exploded. No. Because I do believe battle controller has a reference to it. I thought it did. Board view, yeah. So where I'm calling board down here, it still seems to be okay. Good. And board view. Cool. Now I should be able to just grab it by saying I want board view. How to grab singleton. Let's check it out. I want to watch a video. Is that it? What a difference between, however, is that the class holds a public static reference to an instance. Okay, singleton.instance, like, means that it has to share by all instances of the class. Any script can access the singleton through its class name without needing a reference to it first. Good. Singleton.instance. It can only be set with its own, within its own class. Well, I can't say board dot something equals this from another class. So a lot of this shit might not be getting updated in other classes. But so long as it's a public, whatchamacallit, public function, I should be able to just call it from using a, yeah, we'll see if I, well, yeah. Anyways, I should be able to grab it. I'm not sure how. Then, if it doesn't match the script, no, a duplicate can delete itself. Okay. Why use singleton? You could use a singleton to make the player's position publicly accessible to enemies, or use one to expose the player's health in the UI. Okay. You can call a sound. Yeah. So it's basically going to be board view dot instance dot tiles.go in the walk movement. Let's try this. I'm gonna do board view dot instance. No, not in an event. Dot instance dot tiles.go. What, I'm getting confused again. How do I grab this again? I need to give it a key. Oh my god, I'm really getting brain dead. Key, I need to give it a key. How the heck? I probably do it in here somewhere. Where would I have gotten a key from? Here for sure. Instance dot. Oh no, that's just the prefab coordinates equals. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot how to get the frickin'. Oh wait, it's an index. Move action dot point dot value, I think. Not validate. How does that go? dot validate. Transform. I can't just do tile view, can I? No. What the? I'll just look for it. How to get value from dictionary, because I completely forgot. In C# Unity. For each key value pair string object info. For each, oh, that's not the answer. There's no answer here. This only has 3 likes. Okay. I don't want to watch a video. It's just too long. Is there an answer? This one here. There's no answer to that. That's just the craziest thing. Get value by key code. Example. Dictionary. Okay, it's called dict. 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. Item dot value equals 1. Var first element equals item dot key. I know I did it before. Where the hell? Surprised I can't. Right? Geo dot values keys I got rid of my key. Move action dot point dot oh. Cannot be used like a method, but it's true. I don't want a tile view. I'm going to want a game object, but because I am calling the center method at some point in the walk. Oh yeah, here. Transform dot. Let's just try it with this here. But it says I can't use it like a function. have to use it. Like a what? Like an index, I mean, I would think. Like a, not even. What's it complaining about now? Oh. If I just put in the index, I guess it'll return the tile. Okay. Well, the instance of the singleton of the board view seems to work. Good. Now, where the hell was I? So yeah, the action goes in. Close this here. Maybe I'll bring this back out here. Whoop, that's a little bit too big. Like this. Right. Change turn view. So basically, I don't have my battle controller. There's the last one down here somewhere. So I come in, I create a new move action, I send it in. Then my walk movement is going to go and say, hey, you got a move action. And then it's going to go, okay, perform on prepare move action. On prepare move action is going to look and say, hey, go ahead and perform it. Your traverse. It's going to go back in, back out, traverse. And it's going to say, all right, here's your unit view. What unit view is it looking at? Oh. This gets defined on creation. I would imagine. On awake, it gets component unit view. Yeah, and that would be created during the init board view init. Let me just make sure. Spawn new test units. Walk movement. Get component unit view. Unit. Unit place. Unit match. Movement M instance. Add component. This one walk movement as movement M. Okay, good. So yeah, so my walk movement has this. And it's going to place it on the tile. Place on the tile. But why would it place it on the tile? I feel like it needs a to and a from. But I'm sending the tile is the actual endpoint. What did the traverse originally have? I feel maybe I would need like a from and a to. Let's continue and see what it wants to do. But unit view place It's literally, oh, it's changing it to its final location, but visually it didn't happen. Just in the data. Right. I understand. It's just saying, okay, you don't exist there anymore, you exist over here, but this whole path that you're going to do to get there is just a visual, because it's just instant, you just move. Not what I want. List tile view targets equals new list of tile views, while tile does not equal null. Well, tile does not equal null. Target. What the hell is target? Insert. Oh, okay, that's a Unity thing. At index 0, insert the first tile. Oh, so it places him there, but it's not even going to do anything because he was going to already be there. Because when I look at the place, it checks, hey, if tile view is not null, right? Tile view dot unit view equals null. Oh, it takes him out. And it puts him back in. It's completely pointless. Okay, whatever. I don't need to do that place there. This one. Anyways. Yeah, I don't know why. Takes him off and back on again. Completely pointless. I could use it as a cheat check. Maybe. Well, tile does not equal null. I'll insert it. Tile equals tile dot previous. And I guess tile view has previous. It does. Okay. Tile equals tile dot previous. None. Move to each waypoint in succession. Yeah, but targets dot insert 0. What the frickin' hell? Does it want a list of tiles? Because I don't think I'm doing that. I'm just sending one in. Let me check again the original. This is the walk movement. No, it's just looking for one tile. What the hell? Targets.count, but I'm only sending in one tile. Tile from equals target I minus 1. Tile 2 equals targets I. Direction. Whoa, okay. What does a walk do? Tile target, tweener. Transform dot move to target. I don't know. But I don't have any errors. My only concern is the center bit. But I mean, that kind of works. I mean, do I have any errors? I know it's not going to work, but I'm curious. No suitable method found or override tile view. Traverse. Oh yeah, I removed everything. But I just don't need to override. Right, each one will have its own traverse, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Okay, now I got more errors. Battle controller. This is the move sequence state. I send the action in. I enumerator sequence. Absolutely not. Interesting. Interesting. I need to look here for sure, because I don't think whatever this is doing, I did. Because what it wants to do, this would have been the normal implementation at some point for something. Let me see. What's it called? Sequence. That's probably in the state. Whoops. Move target state. Enter. Da, 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 da. Move sequence. Sequence. When I'm in the state, movement M, owner current unit, get component movement. That's fine. Yield return, start coroutine, movement dot traverse, owner, current tile, owner dot change state, select unit state. So this is just going back to that. But here I'm starting the coroutine on movement, owner current unit dot get component move. Oh, that's what I'm doing. That's all I'm all doing. Yeah, I don't need it. I don't need to do that. Okay. This is good. This is good. Receive. Okay. Right now, when I enter, that's fine. On complete event, on movement complete. Not really movement complete anymore, is it? I don't do that anymore. I go to select unit state. What I need to do is I need to listen to movement. I need to listen to something else. I'm going to find what it is. This movement complete stuff is all gone. So I'm going to delete that so I can see errors and also be able to find them all easily. I should also go into the movement script and make sure they're not still in there. Move sequence. I'm going to change that there, but Gosh, I hope I could still do it that way. I don't know if I can, to be honest with you. Well, anyways, look, even if I don't exit that freaking state, the guy should still move. Let me see. Clear. What is this? What did it say? Turn does not exist in current context. I am in... Oh. I guess movement had the turn. Does this need a turn? No, fly needs a turn. So I'll go to walk. It is redundant. But I could keep it as an override. Oh, look at all this I commented out. Turns are not going to work. Fly movement. Turn. Okay. Okay, no. Watch this thing explode. Let's do it. Null reference. No reference on the game view system? I find that hard to believe. Okay, let's go in. And we'll see what happens when I tell it where to move. Oh. Movement. What does it say? Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Movement. Get tiles in range. Board. Oh, maybe it's because I made a singleton. At asset script view model movement. Movement. Oh, over here. Board search. Board view. Board. Public virtual list tile view. Get tiles in range. Where is that being referenced? Battle controller. Owner.board. Couldn't I just do board view dot instance? Let's try that. Let's try it again. Oh geez, that didn't work either. What is it trying to tell me? Null exception. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Battle controller move target state on fire event system.object sender. Battle controller current tile. On fire event. All right, what's going on? Is it happening here? Am I sending out things from this? Start. Oh. Wait, what the hell? Event args on fire event. Tiles dot contain owner current tiles. If tiles dot contains owner current tile. That sounds like a Discord thing. Oh yeah. Stray. Ah, nice. Now I have seen people saying it was pretty cool. Okay. Yeah, I bet, yeah. But dominate expectations. I bet, yeah, I have to see it myself, but I have seen small handful of people on a team completely dominate expectations. It doesn't take too many people to do great work. Okay. Okay, yeah, something weird's going on here. It's saying if tiles contains. Okay, tile is a list, and I'm looking to know if the list on the battle controller board. It's still, yeah. I should do what is it again? Board view dot instance. That's the little like annoying stuff about it I gotta fix, and it doesn't give me any errors for some damn reason, so I'll only see it during play. That much, eh? Wow. Bless me, I'm gonna restart it. It's still complaining about that for some reason. That throws me off. Okay, let's go over here. And then I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna clear just to make sure it's nice and clean so I can see what happens. Okay. And yeah, I did it, and I can't move no more, and nothing got highlighted. Damn it, I'll have to look at. I'm gonna go in the battle controller here, And I'm going to do a search for board. Or, better yet, I'm going to take this. And I'm going to do a search for that. And then what I'm going to do, current document. Well, where do I define it? Board, awake. I don't define it there. I don't define it there. I don't know where the hell. Owner.board. But where the hell do I define board? Look, it's everywhere. Owner.board. All I need to do is set it. I need to set it in the awake or something, like, or the start or something. But that's so weird. I don't define board anywhere. How was it even working before? What the frick? Okay, I do it, board view. I think I do it in the walk movement. I set board up somewhere. And do I set? Oh no, I think I do it directly. Board view. And don't I set it up in here, like in the start? Or in the awake? Huh. Well, I'll do it in the awake. In the battle controller. I do have an awake in here, don't I? Awake right here. I'll do board equals battle. Is it, no, board view. Dot instance. Maybe that'll make everything chill out. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. You would think. Problem is, I think, Oh God. Oh God. Oh, I'm still recording. Yeah. I was just gonna say. Okay, enough chatting. Where was I? I was testing to see if board.instance was working. I don't know if this is a problem. Object reference set to an instance of an object. Walk movement dot awake at least. See, I kind of need that. Maybe that's what the problem is. No, maybe not. Well, maybe, but let me try moving this around again. Board.search. It's still the same problem. I need to do board view dot instance dot search. Well, eventually we'll get all those out of the way. What was it complaining about here? Action system update. Ooh. We'll see if that's still happening. Move over here. Move over here. Do a little clear. Frozen. Damn. God, I've been at it for so long. I'm so close. Where's I want to go to the battle controller. I think I'm not moving because I'm not. Is it battle controller? Yeah. I think it's because I'm coming into here and there's nothing happening when I get in here. Debug. .log. Whoops. .log. Why is it not doing it? What the heck? When I get in a move state, oh, on enter. Debug. .log. And I'm just going to say that I am now in the move sequence state. Actually, I don't even think it happens there. I think it happens on the select unit state. Debug.log. And this is called the select unit state. I'm just trying to figure out where I am in the process, where everything freezes. Because here, selecting unit is not a game action. I should be able to select a unit and there will never be a kind of thing that happens. Well, maybe yes and no, actually. Because maybe when I select a unit, I want an action to trigger some sort of tutorial event. So I might want to make a select unit an actual action. So I could have a reaction, which is, start tutorial. Based off of, okay, first time you select a unit. But that's not a bad idea, actually. Let me see now that I print. Okay, I'm in select unit state now. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to change this size of this map too. It doesn't even go. Funny, eh? Unit view. Huh. Okay. I'm just going to, do something a little different here. I'm going to do a smaller map. I'm going to go into the board. I'm going to grab this smaller board. I think it's this one. And I'm also going to go into I think it's in board view where I actually place them. Place unit somewhere. Spawn unit. I had it set to 1414, but I'm just going to do this. What was it again? I have too many of these. Okay, I think that's it. Should theoretically put it on the first one in the list now. And I'm only doing one, which is the walk movement. Let's try it. I just want to see if that's going to load correctly. Okay, it does load correctly, which is nice. I can move around, which is cool. I can't go anywhere out of the bounds, which is cool. Okay. I really like this. This is a bug, but it's got a slight slow spin, and that's because sometimes when I rotate, for some reason it works sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. I think it's when I'm moving. No, I don't know when, but sometimes it rotates slowly. And it looks cool. Okay, so the problem is here. I also want to get rid of this text. I don't need to see that anymore. I know that works. I know this works. By the way, this is supposed to be horizontal here. Even if I won't use it anymore. Okay. Right. This is the problem here. What is this going? What is this? Why is that not working? What's not referenced? I am right now in the movement thing. Get tiles in range. What is referencing this? The battle controller. Move target state. Did I not put a board view dot instance? Yeah. It goes in here, it goes into the movement, and what it wants to do is it wants to get the board. Now it takes the board. Oh. This should already work with just board because I actually send the board instance in like this. So it should work just like that. List of a tile view. We call it return value. Right? Board, search. So I'm calling a search function in the board. Right? What I'm sending into the board for search is the unit view. And in the unit view, there's going to be a tile view. Right? So I'm sending the tile of the unit. Right? Now, am I placing this unit at any point? If tile view equals null, tile view equals dot unit view, tile view dot unit view equals null. Right? Tile view equals target. Okay. So when I'm creating, this used to work, so I don't know why it would have changed, but when I'm creating when I'm placing the unit here, I'm getting the tile. Right, I'm getting the tile P. I'm sending the tile P. The tile that I'm sending, get tile, it wants a tile view. So whatever get tile is doing in board view, it takes in a point and it should return a tile view, which is the case. Good. Now this returns tiles.contains key P. If it does, if not null, is that's what's happening? Because of the formatting here, I can't just place in something in between. But I'd be curious in knowing. Because maybe it doesn't, I could rewrite this. But you see, if it's null, maybe that's what it's complaining about. Does tiles dot something contain key? Where was the original bug? Unit view, tile view. Expand search. I'm going to try something. Oh, wait, no, it's still there. Not set an instance of an object. Does it say? Oh, 33. Oh, line 33. But I don't know what that is. It could be anything in this line. It'd be nice for it to say, like, which one? Can I attach it to Unity and see what happens if I attach it to Unity? Oh shit. You're trying to attach a debugger, but debug mode is switching off your... Yeah, just enable it for now. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off. Right, I'm going to turn it on. I want to see if there's a way to see the value. Okay, it's slowed right down. Okay, what's going on? Is it going to explode? It'd be nice to be able to just hover. I don't know how to see if there's a way to see the value of these things. What's this? I never use the debugger stuff in here. I should learn how to do that. Well, what's going on? Oh, there. Okay. Now, can I see anything? Can I put a break in here or something? Yeah, right there I could. Is there like a console or something? Like I should look it up. And so if I, what the heck? When did that pop open? Oh, because I clicked. So this is where I am right now. I could step through it. Hey. What the hell? See, I could step through it somehow. I forget how. Is it this? Yes. Boom, error. Error right here. Now, is there a way to see? Oh. Local variable. Well, okay. Let's take a look here. Unit view, tile view. So what is going on with the unit view? Walk movement is not active. You'd think it would be. Unit view. Oh, okay, but tile view is not public, is it? It is public. We get protected. So I don't know if tile view has anything. But it must have, because I place it at some point here. Target.unitView, get component unit view. Fine. Match. Tile view center. So yeah, it would. When does the match get called? Transform.local position, that's the character, equals tile view center. Tile view. Funny, eh? Because I was under the impression the game object would be needed, but I'm seeing here it's just grabbing the tile view here. Tile view does not equal null. So this is a tile view because it did it. Tile view dot unit view. It's like they both got each other. If I go into the tile view, oh, it's over here. It will have a unit view as well. Yeah, they're both referencing each other. Kind of weird, you know. I'm gonna close these because I want just one now. So but unit view tile, yeah, unit view tile view has it, but something is not referenced. Board. Get tiles in range. Bless me. On enter. Tiles equal mover. Mover. Maybe hover? I don't know. Get tiles in range. I mean, even this should work. Just board. But it doesn't? What the heck did I have before? Oh, I can't undo just this part. I'm going to unhook it from there and get tiles in range. Move target state. The board view. I don't understand. I even don't understand why I'm even passing the board in there like that. I feel like I could just do this. Yeah, it wants board, but I could just do board view dot instance, right, and just send me the board. And then what I could do is here, I think it was, I don't need anything in there. I just need to get the in range, right? And then if I go back to here, see, it's going to get list tile view and it's going to get a return value. The tile view it's going to get is going to get it's going to do a search using the list from the board from the spot of where the unit is. It's going to do a quick filter on that list and it's going to return it. It wasn't broken before. I don't know why it wouldn't work now. I'm not writing anything to board. This is just a little bit weird though. Every time I move, it's telling me that owner. What? What state am I in? Move target state. On fire event. Every time I middle mouse click. Every time I right mouse click. Now what happens if I do a left mouse click? Okay. And what's it called? A fire event? Reference object reference, that's it. On fire event. Tiles? Does tiles not have anything? You'd think it would. Owner.current tile. Maybe there's no current tile? Owner.state machine change states. So it's not doing this and it's not changing state. But move sequence states. Let me try something. Now it's not freezing. Before it used to freeze when I clicked. I don't know why, but it's not freezing and it's telling me here that something is wrong. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Object reference tiles or current tile. Only one of the two there. Oh, tiles equals null. What the hell? On enter. On exit tiles equals null, but on enter, move or get tiles in range. Yeah, okay. And then the other one is owner current tile. I'm going to try something. When I get into this move target state, I'm going to do owner dot current tile. I'm going to do a debug log. Debug dot log. And I don't know current tile if that will print or not. We'll try it and see, but I am not 100% sure. I'm going to stop it and see if anything in current tile is there. And I'm just going to go ahead and clear this. Am I even in the state? I should be in the state because I'm doing this right now on fire event in that state. What the heck in hell? Let me just do something else here. On enter, move target state. I mean, wouldn't that print if I'm in that state? Errors. Oh. So I am in the select unit state, which is fine. Completely fine. Oh, now I'm in the move target state. What made me go into the from select unit state to the move target state? I was in the select unit state. I was in here. Why did I exit? And I went into the move target state. I didn't do a fire event, did I? Owner.currentTitle.unitView. Okay. If content does not equal null, owner.currentUnit. I should have a current unit before I exited. This would be on the battle controller. Okay, he's right here. Current unit. Okay. I could still move. Nothing is highlighting. Why is nothing highlighting? I'll have to put notes in here to say like, hey, this is what we're supposed to be doing in this state. Tiles contain owner current tile. Owner current tile. I don't know if owner has a current tile. Owner current tile. It's public. serialized. Let's just see what's in there. I mean, I have the character there. But it's not searching. Unit view, tile view. Does I placed them, I imagine. Let me just do a test here. Debug.log. Placed. Right? I mean, if he's placed, tile view equals none. Tile view.unit view. Equals null. If tile view equals target, that gets sent in at some point because this used to work. If target does not equal null, target.unit view, so the tile view. Yeah. I mean, what else would it? Let's try it again. He was placed at the very beginning. And I do go into here. And I get my error right here. And it could be from here. Owner.currentUnit get component movement. Which one is it? Tiles. No reference to tiles. I'd like to know how many are in the count here. I'm going to do... No, there wouldn't be any because it can't even do this. This is so silly. I mean, this is one of those things that I'm just being completely probably blind. Expand search. What is an expand search? It's a bool. It returns a bool. What the fucking hell? I don't do this anymore. Does it go in? Get tiles in range. Let me check something. I'll do another debug. .log. And I'm going to say get tiles in range. Right? Save. Let's do the let's do this here. All right. It does. It does go in here. But when we get here, it don't want to do none of this stuff. So let me take a look. What is not? If unit view dot tile view is true, debug.log. True dat. Right? Does unit view contain a tile view? That's all I want to know. Unit view does not contain a tile view. I'm going to do an else on this just to make sure we're all good here. Debug.log. Nope. Right? Let's take a look here. Well, there isn't a nope or there isn't a... does not equal null. Maybe I just need to specify that level of detail. Hey. What the heck in hell? Oh, it's, yeah, that's, okay, fine. You don't like tile view. That's definitely the problem. What about unit view? Are you null? You're null? If unit view, you're null. How is unit view null? But my little dude, one second. Is it because of this? I mean, you'd think. Where's my little dude here? Huh. The unit view is right there. Unit view is null. When it activates, it should get component unit view. and it has a component unit view. What the bloody hell? In placed gets done here. And so does match. What the hell? I really don't know what the heck is going on. Let's do one of these. I'm just curious. What is that going to do to it? No. No. So, when does that get created? It gets created on unit placement in the battle controller. No, in the battle viewer. Where's the board viewer? Board viewer. Ugh. Right here. So I'm going to instantiate the hero prefab. That's fine. I'm going to get a new point. It's going to be the first one in the list. Yeah, that's fine. Unit view unit. That's fine. Instance equals an instance dot get component unit view. Sure. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking the unit view and I'm performing a place. I'm doing that with the point. Ooh, what is this? Tile view. Get tile with the point. Okay. Then I match it. Okay. Movement M equals instance add component. Yeah, okay. And then what I want to do also is I want to say, hey, your movement there, buddy. M dot unit view. No, is it not public? No, but movement protected. Okay, well, where is it supposed to? On a wig, it's supposed to get the unit view, but it's not doing it. Look, I'm just going to do public, okay? Because I don't know what the heck is going on. It should do it, but I'm so annoyed right now. M dot unit view, right, equals unit, right? Let's try that. Now, when I create the unit, it's supposed to also have the tile. Unit view dot tile view. Right? And when I create a new tile, it's supposed to do all this really great stuff. So not only do I place them on a tile, if tile view equals null, well, it isn't. Tile view equal dot unit view, but it doesn't. Tile view equals null. It shouldn't. Tile view equals target. Fine. Target dot unit view equals game object dot get component dot unit view. The frickin' hell? Something's going on here. I don't understand it myself, but I'm just going to try this again one more time here. Okay. Why would that have changed? Like, it's working and I should be super happy, but it took so long for something I don't feel like I even touched. Okay, now will he move? No, of course he doesn't move, because that's what I was trying to test for the last 40 minutes. Null reference exception. Reference not set to an instance of an object. Battle controller. Move sequence start enter. Owner current tile up point. Owner that current unit. Oof. I'll have to come back to that one because this is nuts.